Hello, Dana. Can I speak to Octavia, please? It's something important me to talk to her about.
Octavia, Anthony out here for you. What you do here?
I want to talk to you about something in private.
I don't have time for all that. Just say what you say right now.
This one is something I want me to say outside, alright? Can I go in the house and talk about it?
Say what you say now.
Alright. So when you ever tell me say, Diana, you know my pitney.
Lord God. Octavia, where my talk about? What you talk about? Oh, you know want give me no more money and take care of you. I got to talk about say Anna your pitney. I that door, don't it?
I take one DNA test. I'm a notion of my pitney.
Octavia, really? Really, Octavia? Mommy, you know I lie, Mateo. Diana is in pitney. Him just now want help in the morning.
I raise a little girlie from she born. Why am I lie about this, see? You think me I same thing? You think me a liar like you?
You just vex. Cause me a new man know him have money. He not fair live off of him parents them like you.
Oh. You never have no issue though when you don't live off of my parents them money though, don't you?
Go on about your business.
You're a wicked girl, you know. Look how you behave. Give me a jacket and you still a go on, so.
Me a wicked? Why you not talk about the things them what you do? Them want to get them you cheat pan and breed. And me a wicked. You just vex because you get a dose of your own medicine.
You know. Just because I have respect for your mother, you know. I'm gonna come diss you up right you're saying. But you can go on, man. Thing good. Come take a pitney. Me a cut.
Daddy? Rick, please talk to me. I'm sorry about what happened, okay?
Where is it, Shireen? When I do enough for you. Look like you still a think about your ex-husband.
No, Rick. I was just vexed that Sean would talk to that girl.
Really? So what you fight her for? Sound like you misstated to me.
Why would you say that? I don't love Dede no more, Rick. I love you.
Yeah, fight over man. One of me, and you love me. Alright, Shireen. And you put pitney them life in a danger too. You know what I think about that, don't it? I need some time to think about all of this, you know. I'm in a mood with not talking with you. I can buy some grocery later. Sherry, this a Dede. Why you not pick up your phone? Which part you there? How much days I'm gonna see you? Call me back. Alright? I need to talk to you. Very important. Pick up your phone.
You still a call off that girl phone. And she said I could get a nothing for do with you. Stop calling like you don't have sense. Man up. And that idiot for do. Man up. Me get you one new place. And you still in the house here. Where I wait for people to come kick you all day. And I tell you wait pan. Eh? Come. I can bring your stuff them over to new house later. Follow me, show you the place.
Really, mommy? I guess I expect man to leave. Look on a rundown place, yeah.
Yes, so you're ungrateful and tan bad. Me get you one place and you still a complain. You lucky even I live nowhere. Because where you think you come live with me after you can't come live with me and my man? You're bright.
Oh, where you take man for, eh? Where you take me for? You literally have to take a boat for come here, sir. So I'm supposed to do about food and all them something there.
Anytime I cook some food, I come bring it to you. I want to you, man. You have a place for sleep. I could make you sleep on the roadside. You're too ungrateful.
So all of a sudden you find man to live with. So you come on my house for.
Don't worry about me and my man. Look, come look in your house and see how I fix it up for you, man. It's well comfortable and nice and stop complaining like you're some big girl.
Oh, me not live in that house there, no. Me not live in there. This is how you call fix up. This. Look on in here, man. Look on a big back TV there. How me not rate me? What into all them something there when me take out of the house? What you do with it?
I think I pay the first and last month rent. You think me have money, eh? You look at me get there a place for you. The rent of $5,000 a month. And me I could pay it for you. If you're grateful, say me even I help you out. Come I never look by you. Look by you. You're my youngest son. Your brother them way better than you in things. All you do I live off of people. You used to say I want waste man.
Learn everything off of you and know you vex, eh? And you teach me how to live them life, yeah.
I spoil you too much because you're my last pitney. But still, you need to man up and do something with yourself. You can't expect me to take care of you all of your life. Me have my life living now. I'm dear. My taking care of pitney days them done. I look boy your own thing, man. May help you up for now. But after a while you have to do everything by yourself.
Anyways, mommy, which part of the bathroom there? How me I go be it? Eh?
Just piss in the bush and shit in the bush for now. I use a bag there for sure. Don't worry, man. You go alright. You go enjoy yourself. Alright? I have to deal with some things. So tomorrow I come and check you again. Okay?
You know, this not even that bad. At least me can do more and do for now. Now if I take care of the picnic one of my own. Now if I waste my life.
You know, you don't really mean that. Every time I used to talk to you, you also talk with a little girlie. They just say over it. Stop lying to yourself, Anthony.
Oh, you must be sad. Sad how some good dirty girl come tell lie upon me. Eh? Oh, you think me go cry with a little girl there? For?
You're allowed to be sad, you know. You're not hide it, Anthony. I'm not judge you.
What you know? After you know on a picnic, you just have one dog where you dress up in a clothes.
You don't even know. I can't have kids, Anthony. I can't have pitney like you. I'll never be able to have pitney like you.
Look, I'm sorry, alright? I never know. Sorry, okay? I just been pissed off about everything what happened. A long time I know Octavia and I just can't believe she do this to me. I'm gonna take care of a little girl like she's my own pitney. It just burned me. Leah, I'm sorry, alright? Don't think of me no way, okay?
Just go on home, auntie.
Leah, I'm sorry, man. Come on. Leah.